Time in the simulator is valuable, so it's important to think critically about your training. Doing so will maximize its effectiveness and make you a better, safer pilot. Here are some tips to help you make the most of your next session. Know your training objectives. Before you begin, ask yourself, what is my goal? Are you trying to develop your instrument flying skills or to test your ability to respond to in-flight emergencies? Knowing this will narrow your training to the relevant areas. Stay focused. In the simulator, it's important to keep to the task at hand. This means paying attention to all of the instruments and following the correct procedures. Remember, maintaining focus begins with getting the sleep and nutrition you need to feel energized and alert. Don't stress over mistakes. It's normal to make errors when learning something new or trying a familiar maneuver in a more difficult environment. While these errors feel rough in the moment, it's important to shake them off, make the needed adjustments, and to move forward. We train to improve our performance, and mistakes are a natural part of that process. Find ways to include double IMC or unusual attitude recovery training. There's been a significant industry effort to increase awareness, avoidance, and recovery procedures for double IMC situations. The simulator is an excellent place to hone your response to these challenging scenarios. For example, practice using the autopilot in the aircraft's flight management system when weather suddenly deteriorates. For pilots taking a recurrent training program in the simulator, here are 2 additional tips for success. First, sharpen your emergency procedure skills. If there's an emergency procedure you don't understand, ask your instructor for a deeper explanation or demonstration. Consider initiating emergencies in flight regimes that match the real-world flying that you do. Be sure to know your boldface procedures inside and out. This will allow you to spend more time enhancing your skills in other areas. Second, practice flying in less familiar conditions and with different loads. This is especially relevant to helicopter crews and will help you to become more proficient in performance-impacting conditions such as night, high altitude, mountains, or external load. Pick scenarios that match the ones you might encounter in your real-world environment. And finally, have fun. Effective sim training should take you out of your comfort zone and challenge your skills. So relax, embrace the opportunity to grow, and enjoy the experience.